Hey Jane, how was your recent business trip to Tokyo?
Don't get me started. It was a nightmare.
Oh no, why?
First, my flight from New York to Tokyo was delayed 7 hours because of fog. And when we finally departed, the plane had engine trouble mid-flight, and we had to make an emergency stopover at LAX.
Oh geez.
Oh, it gets worse. I had to transfer to another flight at LAX to reach Tokyo. But because a typhoon was approaching, that flight had to be canceled. I was stuck at the airport overnight.
Wow, you're kidding. Why didn't you go to a hotel?
I couldn't. All the hotels in the area were booked. I had to sleep at the airport.
You poor thing.
That's not the end of the story. It gets worse. During my flight to Tokyo, there was a mother and baby sitting next to me. And the baby ended up crying throughout the entire flight.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
So when I finally arrived in Tokyo, I was so exhausted mentally and physically that I dozed off on the bus on the way to the hotel.
Don't tell me you slept past your stop.
Wouldn't that have been my luck? No. Somehow I managed to arrive at my hotel in one piece, collapsed on the bed, and was just about to fall asleep when I hear my phone ring.
This can't be good. Who was it?
It was my client. He wanted the meeting changed to that very day, in 2 hours.
Oh no!
There was a sudden change in his schedule, and if I didn't meet him that afternoon, he wouldn't have had any other time to meet me.
This story keeps getting better and better.
So here I am, half dead, half asleep, looking like a zombie about to go into a very important meeting with a very important client. I'm chugging my 4th cup of coffee, arrive at the client's office, greet my client, and about to start the meeting when...
When what? Don't stop, keep going.
When I fell asleep.
You didn't.
Maybe it was the jet lag that finally tipped me over the edge. I don't know how it happened. My client's assistant told me later that my head began to tilt forward until I collapsed onto the table with a thud.
Oh man.
And then I started snoring.
Get out of here.
Like a yak.
What? This is insane. Tell me you're joking.
Nope, I swear it's the truth. When I woke up, I even had to wipe the drool away from my mouth. Lucky for me, the client was kind enough to allow me to sleep for a few hours. He was already out of the office by then. I called a few times and even emailed him afterwards, but he hasn't responded back since.
Oh my god. Jane.
So, yeah, my recent business trip to Tokyo was a complete nightmare.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye!